welcome to Vlogmas day 5. I know, I'm super chill today. I'm wearing pajamas. Put on some brows so we're not looking like completely dead. I still drink the Bragg Organic Raw Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar twice a day. Honestly, it's still been really helping me. Pour our water. 2 tablespoons does help with the digestive system, and it really helps with weight loss. Let's drink it.
Inspired by the Starbucks caramel macchiato you love. Mornings just got better. This changes everything. New Starbucks creamer now at home.
It doesn't get any easier. Today was just like a really busy work day. We were supposed to run errands to get some other holiday stuff done. None of that got accomplished because I got stuck editing yesterday's video, Christmas coffee bar. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely enjoyed editing and I love the whole editing process. I want to say it's like a love-hate, but not really hate. It's more of like a love-dislike. Dislike how long it takes to actually edit. It took me about 7 hours to edit that 5-minute video, which is insane. Trying to fix the color grading because the lights in the kitchen, those are yellow, and the way how the DSLR camera picks it up, you can see like these lines. Actually contemplating on turning off those lights when I was filming, but I just decided to leave them on. Literally went through all of these clips and tried to like balance it out as best as I could without looking super weird. Plus, when I did my voiceover, it's like once I hit record for the voiceover, I start stuttering. There are lots of ums, ands, or I end up just completely screwing up the name. Or I'm supposed to say cabinet and then I say cupboard. I'm glad we finished that video, and I really would appreciate it if you guys would watch that video and show it some love because it did take quite some time. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. We're almost to Friday. We're gonna be opening our English Tea Shop Organic Advent Tea Calendar, and we are on day number 5. Struggling. I almost broke the box. That would have not been good. It smells spicy. I don't know, it has a spice that I'm not really fond of. It makes me want to sneeze. Excuse me. What is this? Excuse me. This is called Unwind Me for the Season. Organic lemongrass. I think that's what it is. Herbal tea with cinnamon, ginger, garcinia, hibiscus, and lemon, because I like the rest, not the lemongrass. Let's pour our water. Oh my gosh, the lemongrass made my nose very itchy. Open day number 5 for our Hello Kitty and Friends chocolate advent calendar. Fingers crossed that we have one that's actually in here, and it's by right here by Choco Cat. No. Okay. Okay, oh, cool. This shape is supposed to be a bell, and that is exactly what we ended up getting today. Let me unbox really quickly some PR packages. I was gonna put this Insta stories, but I decided let's just unbox them together here. These are some new products from the brand Profusion Holiday collection, which is really cute. It's exclusive to Walmart, and these make really great gifts. Mini Eyes Twinkle Mascara and a sparkling eye topper. I mean, isn't that so pretty? The packaging is really cute because it looks like an ornament. Profusion Mini Sparkling Lip Topper. I don't believe I've tried these. Mini 3 matte lip creams, which will pair perfectly with the lip toppers. 2 different eyeshadow quads, mini emeralds. That's pretty. And this one I'm very drawn to because I love purples. This is the Profusion Mini Violets. How much do these retail for? Oh, wow. These are only $3. $3 for each of these. I think they make great stocking stuffers or just little extra gifts to include with your main gift. Then we also have the Profusion Glow Up Multi-Dimensional Liquid Glitter, and it also comes with a sponge. Hey, thank you so much to Profusion for sending that over. I'm excited to try them out. The next one we have here is Benefit times Ipsy. And I kind of already took a peek at this. I was so excited because I hadn't purchased a Benefit item in quite some time. I think the last one was really a blush. Hula bronzer. We have the Benefit Give Me Brow. Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Precisely My Brow Pencil. Oh my gosh, I haven't used this in such a long time. It's the Professional Primer. Roller Lash Mascara. We have the Bad Gal Mascara. I think a lot of people rave about this one. 24-hour Brow Setter. It's a shaping and setting gel. Well, I definitely need to use this. I'm a huge fan of their blushes. And this is the Benefit Cookie. Is it a highlighter or a blush? I guess it's more of like, it could be used as a highlighter and a blush. Oh, I don't know. Maybe more of like a highlight? Wow. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. Does it smell? I'm like smelling it. Does it smell like cookies? Wow. That is pretty. I think that would definitely be more of like a highlight for me. Thank you so much, Benefit, for sending these goodies over. Put back day number 5. And let's try the Unwind Me for the Season tea. Nope, it's that lemongrass. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the lemongrass. This is a no-go for me. I do not like this tea. Apologies, I know today wasn't very eventful, and to be quite honest with you, literally the vlog would have been just me staring at my MacBook for hours. I hope you still enjoyed hanging out for a few minutes and chatting. If you did, please make sure you give this vlog a like. Subscribe if you have not already to be a part of the Chicky crew. Would greatly appreciate it. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 6.